Next, we have a proclamation and special presentations. First, I want to read a portion of the proclamation. And for those of you who might be looking at it on the screen, we have the leader of the Gullah Nation who's joining us electronically via Zoom to acknowledge and to accept this proclamation. Whereas, and I might also add, the commissioner from the 2nd District claimed that she's somehow kin to him. I think he's just trying to take advantage of the fact that she's the long-serving leader of the GullahGeechee Nation, and so he's now saying that she's a distant cousin, but I will let him address that if he so wished. Whereas Africans began arriving on Sea Island in the 1500s, and the population of these Africans increased as chattel and enslaved grew in the 1600s. And whereas these Africans began to engage with, and in some instances created families with, the indigenous Americans in the region. And descendants of this group are called GullahGeechee. And whereas this group of self-sufficient people came together in 1999 throughout the Sea Island and Low Countries of South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, to stand in their human rights and self-determination. And whereas this group took 1 year to elect their own leader, and they elected and installed the Sea Island, the St. Helena Island native, whose family roots also stem from Polawana and Dartar Islands. Queen Kwai, chiefess of the GullahGeechee Nation. And whereas Queen Kwai has served as the official head Punibudi and spokesperson for the GullahGeechee since July 2nd, 2000. And whereas we support the continuation of the GullahGeechee culture, heritage, and sustainability of the GullahGeechee Nation. And as chairman, and on behalf of this entire commission, it's an honor for this board to hereby proclaim July 25th through August 1st, 2020 as GullahGeechee Nation Appreciation Week in Chatham County and the Low Country area, and call on all citizens to celebrate the 20th anniversary with the citizens of the GullahGeechee Nation under the theme GullahGeechee 2020. And with that, I'm going to call on the leader of the GullahGeechee Nation, Queen Kwai, for some comments.
Thank you, Chairman. So glad to see her again this morning and thing like that. Even though we at such a far distance and thing like that, I used to Hunter coming down from your seat right now for giving me my proclamation so I can carry them out Chatham and bring them back across the Carolina line. But I gotta wait for you to throw them in the mail this your time, lest my cousin Holmes gonna bring them over to the island for me, and with a mask up and thing like that and a glove on for hand them off. I'll take them like that because you know he ain't mind coming back home for get a little bit for damn fun and thing like that. And so we so glad that this your day you have feed the souls of we people one more again from this your coastline and thing, because when they say talk about the census and the counted numbers and thing like that, they never seem for one counting at the GullahGeechee people that one what make up Chatham County. The GullahGeechee people the one that laid the foundation of what we call Carolinas, Georgia, down to northeastern Florida and thing like that. But we thank this year commission because all 100 children know that you've been a count we and you've been a shout with we for several years now and thing like that. So I just sorry that this year Rona come along for stop we for see one another face to face, but I so glad that we still got a chance to greet the family where they yonder in Chatham County and things like that in the coastal empire. We want to say God bless all 100 children. Stay safe, stay healthy, because we got more for do, because we the been ya and we ain't going nowhere tall. So we so glad that 100 a day ya and ain't going nowhere. So let's stand strong together and let's get this world to be a better place and things like that. So for all of y'all in Chatham County that don't speak Gullah, I just want you to be clear. We wish you a lot of blessings. We wish you healing, safety, health. We want everyone to be sustained through all of what we're going through right now. And we want to work together to make this world a better place for sure. So we appreciate you. We appreciate y'all continuing to celebrate GullahGeechee Nation Appreciation Week. And I know my cousin Holmes going to be right there celebrating with we one more again. And so I'm so happy that we are here in this journey together. So thank you, commissioners. I truly appreciate this. I truly appreciate every year getting together with you. Just at this time, we have to do it at a distance. But that doesn't mean that the love is cut off. We just got to do the air hugs and spread it out even wider. So much love to all of the coastal empire from all of us as leaders of the GullahGeechee Nation. Thank you.
Queen, let me make sure I understand what you said.
Go ahead.
You want me to entrust the original frame copy of this resolution to Commissioner Holmes to deliver it to you. Is that what you're...
That sound, now see the way you said it with so much hesitation. You sound like we might need to speak offline. You don't think it's going to make it to me? You think it might go to his house and it might never get over here to me on St. Helena or something, Chairman?
Well, I'm going to charge him with delivering it to you, to the celebration personally, and presenting it and reading it for your organization.
That would be a
okay?
wonderful thing. What we're going to do, though, this year, we are going to have the celebration virtually so that we can bring in even more people of the world to celebrate our 20th anniversary. So, Cousin Holmes, I don't know when you plan to come to South Kakalaki, but if you ain't coming, they can put them in the mail. But I know that you all usually have a very beautiful frame and everything done for me in Chatham County, and I don't want them broke up. So, if you think you're going to drop them, let them mail them. If they think the mail got broke them up and you think you'll keep them safe, you bring them to me. So I'm going to leave it up to y'all. As long as I think I can trust Cutting Holmes not to come to his house. Because if he do, y'all just going to make me a second one. That's all.
Good answer.
Thank you, Queen. Commissioner Holmes is recognized.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing, my good cousin?
I'm doing quite well, sir. How are you?
I'm great. It's strange since we've given you this. My family and I are planning on coming to St. Helena Island after the 4th of July.
Okay, because you tell me you coming every year and I don't get to see you, so I don't know why you're hiding from me.
You seem to be out of... You on a tour when I come over there. For some reason, you're never in place. I don't know how busy you are.
You don't first look for me. Stop your noise.
I have learned that I have to get an appointment with you.
You know it's the truth. I got to get an appointment with you.
Yeah, you're not an easy person to track down.
I know that's
right. Let me see
a moving target is harder to hit, cuz a moving target is harder to hit.
You're quite a moving target. Well, congratulations again once more on this accomplishment.
Thank you
and
so
keep
much.
up the good work what you're doing. And yes, we are going to get on the solid ground.
Yeah.
And I call that the solid ground. The ground that I'm over on here is not as solid as one over there. So I am coming back to the solid ground.
Please.
But you know how it is when we get on this ground over here?
It's like a quicksand. It's like a quicksand. 100 foot gets pulled down in there, and y'all can't come home no more. So hold on to y'all tight. I see that. Y'all want to stay over there. Y'all gonna cry all them other rest of the place. I see how y'all do.
Keep up the good work, and I appreciate the work you're doing.
You do the same, and I look forward to seeing you, truthfully. Yes, definitely.
Yes, we are.
Any other member of the commission wish to be recognized to address the Queen? If not, Queen, thank you so much for being here virtually, and we wish you the very best on on Gullah Geechee Week. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And just let your viewers know they can follow the celebration if they follow Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook or GullahGeecheeNation.com. We'll be posting there where they'll be able to see the virtual events. And on Saturday, July the 25th, we were coming to Georgia for Gullah Geechee Family Weekend. But because of the COVID epidemic, we're going to do a virtual celebration and have our festival there. So this time, all of you can truly join us. And so we'll send everything out also back to your office for y'all to join. But all of the people who are watching, y'all make sure to follow GullahGeecheenNation.com. And ain't no I and Geechee if it a we. Make sure you follow us there and you'll keep up with everything. And also at Gullah Geechee on Twitter and Instagram. We'll be posting, we'll be celebrating, and we'll definitely be sending out a lot of Gullah Geechee love to the world. So peace and blessings, everybody. Y'all going on and have the rest of a bless up weekend.
Thank you.